Hi, it's Dr. Anthony, chiropractor from Ride Chiropractic, and today I'll be giving you some tips about how to use your iPad or tablet with good posture. So what most people do is maybe they start off with in a good position, but then they get tired and they suddenly find it on their table and then slouching over it. And that, of course, can cause neck strain. So there's some tips I'll give you about how to use it at a table and maybe just sitting in a chair, which will help. First thing you need is a cover, and a cover particularly, not that doesn't just protect, but also has a function where you can change the angulation of the tablet when you put it down. This is extremely handy. So if you're going to use it at a table, and you're mainly going to be watching it rather than touching it all the time, have it at an angle, or at a height rather, which is roughly eye level. Not an easy thing to do with a tablet necessarily when you don't have a very high table. So you may want to put some books underneath if you're going to be mainly looking at it. If you're going to be touching it quite a bit, you can put it flat on the table, angle it about 45 degrees. You can either hold it there or use the stand and work with it that way. If you don't have a table, you can use what I'm using right now, is one or two pillows, and you can prop it here and have quite a comfortable angle to look at it and play with it as well. Okay, so hope that was useful for you and gives you less strain and better posture over time. We use so much of our tablets and phones these days that it really does have an effect on our posture. If you like this video, please give us a like and share this video. If you want to subscribe to these videos and get one in your inbox every week, click on the link and you can subscribe that way. Of course, if you want an appointment or want to ask a question, simply message me. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.